keep in touch with Brother Paul, because before the end of the week is up, I've brought you some privileged information about the microwave. And if you're smart enough and intelligent enough and disciplined enough, when I go home, I will cut the cord, get a righteous ham and get some righteous leg, throw it in the garbage pan, and sin no more. I'm going to ask the teacher. We have any teachers sitting among us? Raise a hand for me. Come, my dear, please. Don't take Dr. Guest's word. I'm going to ask her to read it carefully and slowly. Your name, Your Majesty? Pardon me? You're Linda. Okay, that's good. Beautiful. Smile again, look over there. Beautiful, isn't it? Say you must smile, but broad. We have 10 things out of 13 pages. Time does not permit me. I'm going to ask her to read 10 items out of 13 pages. And at the end of it, at the end of number 5, I'm going to ask her a question. You and the Lord work it out. Number 1.
Number 1, continually eating food processed from a microwave oven causes long-term permanent brain damage by shorting out electrical impulses in the brain, depolarizing and demagnetizing the brain tissue.
Wait a minute. Is that good?
No.
You have a brain?
Yes.
Did you know that your brain contains between 65 to 100 trillion brain cells? Did you? That is number 2. That is number 1. Number 2 is coming.
The human body cannot metabolize, that is, break down the unknown byproducts created in microwaved food.
Is that good?
Number 3, male and female hormone production is shut down.
Is what? No, hold on. You think the glass is working? Read it again.
Male and female hormone production is shut down and or altered by continually eating microwave foods. Interesting.
Don't move, teach. God blessed me earlier this year. I was called away to London to treat 17 people with cancer, including a woman with cancer in her bottom. God healed her within a month, including human papillomavirus known as cervical cancer. God healed everybody. And then there was a woman called Grace Mullins, Dr. Bubbles. And she was diagnosed with bone cancer and pancreatic cancer. And they called me and said, Dr. Guest, please, I could have made some 70,000 pounds in 2 weeks. Just like that. But I'm not in this thing for wealth. I'm in it for health. When you love and care for somebody, you must show it. Don't talk about it. Because action, words is cheap, but action is expensive. And there's 3 times you know your friends. When you're sick, disaster, in trouble, or you can find one and say, so you have parents again. You don't understand. Drunk. So, and I came back to Jamaica. And teach, as I came back 3 days after, this man from Germany who speaks 12 languages fluently is a linguist. His son, who's also genius like himself, that used 10% of the brain. You know what happened to him? He passed 11 subjects by the time he was 11 CXC and 9 GC. They're dead bright. Because they start to train them from the womb over there, unlike we in the Western world. Take me back to the Bible. You remember when Mary and her cousin met? What did the baby do? So go back, no man. Solomon is right there as well. Nothing you this, but we don't know. And everything we adapt the European instead of the Eastern. Can I talk to you? Try, it works. Long and short before teach consider who's she's doing so well. His son at 9-year-old had full prostate cancer. And the Lord used me, and within 1 month, the Lord overruled, and he didn't do no chemo, radiation, or operation. The Lord healed him. Now he's one of us. Going to Andrews Adventist Church. Can I talk to you? And then in April, they called me to Flatbush in New York. The little girl was 7 with breast cancer and fibroids. What's the problem? The microwave and the chicken. And it's not chicken, it's chicken. It have no mother, no father. It don't when it's night and day. Read on, teacher.
Number 4. The effects of microwave...
Get back number 4. Second on, number 4.
Number 4. The effects of microwave food byproducts are residual. long-term, permanent within the human body.
Nice, isn't it? Isn't that good?
No, that's bad.
Oh.
Number 5, minerals, vitamins, and nutrients of all microwave food is
I
reduced.
think it's sure it wants to some.
Right here.
Okay.
All. It says minerals, vitamins, and nutrients of all microwave food is reduced or altered so that the human body gets little or no benefit, or the human body absorbs altered compounds that cannot be broken down.
She's doing well. Teach.
When you use the microwave just one digga time, you have 56 years before 5% leave you. We're coming to number 5.
That's 5.
I'm going to give you number 6 as brought up.
Go ahead, teach.
The minerals in vegetables are altered into cancerous free radicals
Oh, man.
when
You can't
cooked
say that word.
in microwave ovens.
It's cancer?
Cancerous.
Oh,
The minerals in vegetables are altered into cancerous free radicals when cooked in microwave ovens.
Don't move yet. What you plan to do is yours from tonight.
Throw it away.
How are you going to do that? The only way to save. One's man's trash is another man's what? Treasure.
Destroy it.
Earlier this year, as I traveled globally, 1.7 million people as I traveled worldwide in the name of Jesus as his servant and medical missionary. Cut the cord, break up the glass with some righteous hammer. Some use sledge, some just put it under the car and it on it. Because you might throw it away and somebody leave Brother Paul, oh, the Lord provided. It didn't. That's the only way to save. One man before I came here, Monday, it was put down for 2 years. And a friend said, can you repair it? He said, yes, man. And he went outside, my brother, as a technician. Guess what happened to him? He didn't put on a protective gloves. And his hand unintentionally touched on the transformer, and he was paralyzed instantaneously. I'm going back the 5th to start treating. Hello? Can I talk to you? So what are you going to do with yours from tonight? With the help of the Lord? Talk to me. You want the microwave in your house? For what? Continue number 7.
The microwave foods cause stomach and intestinal cancerous growths
What type?
or tumors.
What type it causes?
Microwave foods causes stomach and intestinal cancerous growths or tumors.
Yes.
This may explain the rapidly increased rate of colon cancer.
Which is the leading cause
In
of
America.
all which is colon cancer is the leading cause of all cancer death in the world. And colon cancer kills more people than AIDS, breast cancer, and prostate. In the world. Go ahead, teach.
The prolonged eating of microwave foods causes cancerous cells to increase in human blood.
In the what?
In the human blood.
All right, so.
Continual ingestion of microwave food causes immune system deficiencies.
And what is the immune system? How to protect you. Give an example. You take the bark off the tree outside. Want to die? That's the immune system. There's only 2 ways where you get sick, beloved. A weak immune system that cannot fight disease, and your body become acidic. So with the microwave plus coupled with sugar and aluminum pots and non-stick plus animal protein, allow the body to go on, to be knocked out of balance by disturbing the pH, which is poor of hydrogen, and the scale is from what? 1 to 14. So it make it acidic, which is never over 7 but under 7, plus because of a weak immune system, they become sick. And there's nothing called cancer. They are tumors. And nobody they have cancer. But Dr. Gessler say God used to help people with cancer. They get well, yes. How do you do that? By building the immune system. Because we have the disease, we have the formula of what? And the what? We have the formula and the power to cure the disease in our body. It's called your immune system. And even although I'm a doctor, I get 1 cancer cell every day, but I will never die of cancer. I have a strong immune system. And my body is not acidic. It is always alkaline. Because I do not eat by God's grace, and I made him a pledge. I don't eat anything that have a mother or father in the face and move by itself.
Amen.
Eh? Can I talk to you? And I've treated over 200 and something people this year with cancer globally, and God heal everybody. Including pensioner, fibroids, glaucoma, cataract, impotence. And the Lord healed them, not guess. I'm just a channel being used. He is the one who, but I'm blessed to be a part of his ministry. Because I can do all things through Christ. And the only limitation of life is what you place on yourself. Finish it up for me, dear.
Continual ingestion of microwave foods causes immune system deficiencies through lymph gland and blood serum alterations.
That is correct.
Number 10.
Listen to this carefully. You might know somebody. Go ahead, teach. Let's point them out, number 1.
Okay. Continual ingestion of microwave food
Causes 1.
loss of memory.
You know anybody like that? You can't remember anything?
Alzheimer's.
Talk to me. Alzheimer's too, senility and Parkinson's. It does that.
Concentration, loss of
what?
concentration.
Lack of concentration.
Emotional instability.
What?
Emotional
And the
instability.
worst one coming.
And a decrease of intelligence.
Nice, isn't it?
The Lord bless us, sis. We got to do that soon, again. Is that good or bad? So, in order to know, what are you going to do with yours?
Throw it away.
How are you going to do it?
Destroy it.
By what way? Let's take one at a time. By
Righteous hammer.
righteous summer, but you cut the cord first. I love you, wife. I love you. You're listening.